Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You need the essentials first. Make sure your phone or laptop and the TV are on the same Wi-Fi network because the cast protocol relies on local discovery. Once done, power the TV and open the input or app that handles casting. That gets the receiver ready. Next, update the casting app on your device and the TV firmware so compatibility issues are minimized. Do these now. They remove most basic failures and let the device detect the TV reliably. You'll start casting by opening the Content app and tapping the cast icon, or by using the System Share menu on your device because that triggers discovery. When the TV name appears, select it and accept pairing prompts. Enter a PIN if the TV shows one. If pairing fails, close other apps that might hijack cast and disable VPNs. Those block local device discovery. Once connected, assert control from your device to play, pause, or change volume while the TV plays. To finish, confirm video and audio sync. Adjust quality in the app if available, because bitrate mismatches cause stutter. If issues persist, stop casting, force quit the app and reconnect. Sometimes a quick reboot of phone or TV clears transient faults. If nothing helps, reboot or power cycle the router. And as a last resort factory, reset the cast device, then reconfigure Wi-Fi. Troubleshooting tip. Try a different HDMI port or cable to rule out.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.